Hey guys, Brad here. We're going to change the oil on the John Deere today. Just had to move the old Chevy out and we'll fire up the old John Deere. I'm going to take it up to my barn. This, of course, is my father-in-law's tractor, but I need to have the oil changed and we'll fire it up and I'll take it up to my barn and change it up there. Nice. Let it warm up for just a second, get that oil a little bit. It's about a quarter mile to my barn. It's right next door. Love that old gear system. Drove my tractor over here. Oil filter goes right in there, and right there's the old plug. That one hose gets in the way a little bit, but be all right. All right, it's loose. It's got a brass like gasket or whatever you call it. I see it right there. And I retained it good. All right. T19044. Now let's try it. It's hand tight plus 3/4 of a turn. Let's try it. Quarter, half, let's say 3/4. Right there. Okay. Still draining a little bit. There's the plug with the little metal ring. right at the bottom mark. Of course, I didn't fill up the oil filter. So I'll put it right to the top and a little bit over. I'll check it a couple more times. I'll go slow. One more check. It's almost to the top. Just touching it. Check it one more time. Oh, I like it. Guys, I don't know if you saw the dipstick right there. It was between the two marks, halfway between the two marks. So I'm going to put another little quart or two in and call her good for another year. Thanks for watching. Please come back to Nelson Ridge Farm. Thank y'all. Not forget to get my mileage, or hours, I mean. 5314.